I am Navina or Nev, and I would like to join this collab channel. I don't really have that much webkins, but I have like 17 or 16, maybe 18. I'm friends with you, of course, and I would like to do Monday because Monday is my day off, so I'm swimming and stuff, so it's easier. So yeah. Uh-huh. And a question, do I have to make it, like, can I make it with my face, or does it have to be with webkins? Well, does it, or not? Yeah, so that's it. Oh, my face, so yeah, okay. So yeah, just comment back or something, I don't know, do something, I don't know, actually, well, bye.